Next one up, some Apple Park employees evacuated due to possible hazmat situation. A small number of Apple employees appear to have been evacuated from the Apple Park campus in Cupertino, California. According to NBC Bay Area, there's little information at this time, but the news site says that a portion of the campus was evacuated. Curious. You know, I was reading about another crazy thing going on today, a giant fire.
Where?
Did you guys read about this?
No.
Oh, I believe it was in Indiana, and I think it was a distribution center. Okay. It was an emergency type of day. It might have been Walmart. Yes. 2 hours ago, a fire at Walmart distribution center has cast a large plume of smoke visible throughout Indianapolis. Huge blaze 30 minutes ago. Look at the photo over there. I think this is a larger in-scale emergency than whatever happened in Cupertino. But have you seen the size of these distribution centers? They're putting one over there in Vaughan right now. Have you seen the size of these things?
They're huge.
Just outside of Vaughan over there.
Yeah. That is a lot of smoke. What are you guys laughing about? We got a fire.
I see what we're doing today, Mo. According to Santa Clara County Fire Department Captain Justin Stockman, first responders found an envelope containing an unknown white substance, with employees ushered out in case the substance is harmful. This is one of those anthrax situations.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
Classic anthrax.
Oh, man, you haven't seen one of those in a while.
Yeah.
I guess it could be the other white powder as well.
Yeah. Cornstarch.
Cocaine?
Mo.
What other
We're talking about poisonous things. It's a hazmat suit. What are you doing?
Yeah.
So what's the other white powder?
Unbelievable.
I leave this show more confused than informed.
Well, that's half the beauty of it. Yeah. It's at least half, if not 3/4 of the beauty of it. Yeah. Shout out Savas. All right, let's play the footage. Thank you so much for sending that in. That's the wonderful ability of the Lou Later community.
Yeah.
Which
I guess I can.
What is the name of the Lou Later community? Did you?
We haven't decided.
Oh, well, the community has to decide. We can't.
Yeah.
That's a
Shout
good
out
point,
Devin Ellis. He's
Devin
the one that
Ellis sent this over in rapid time, and this is apparently his view of his work.
holy.
Oh my goodness.
That looks like an atomic bomb.
Indiana, at the distribution center, the Walmart distribution center, which these places are enormous. It's important to know. Tons of merchandise, lots of cardboard, I presume. And
oh my God, you can see the fire.
oh, you can see the wall actually bending there.
Yeah,
like you can see it's enormous. And his angle, I presume he was there. He works there. I presume he evacuated and was standing outside. And
well, thank goodness.
You know, I hope they got everybody out.
Yeah.
In a warehouse like that, you have all kinds of exits, and you would be able to spot immediately where the trouble was and kind of.
Right.
But the smoke inhalation, look at the sheer amount of smoke
I can't believe it.
created here to be present for such a thing, and the damages. Well, first and foremost, the human damage, but then the economic damage and impact of that. You are like I said, these distribution centers are enormous. We got another one.
Here's some screenshots.
Some photos.
So
Man,
I guess he's pretty
really
far away.
Wow.
This is a nice shot.
Well, I mean, you can't,
For what it is.
It's an upsetting event, but he's right. That is it.
And
it's
I
an
think he's
incredible shot.
escaping now.
It's an incredible shot. It's he's escaping. You can imagine the smell there.
Oh,
Can you imagine the smell?
I know I can't actually, but now that you brought it up,
You guys ever been present for a fire or something?
no, I haven't.
There was one time I was at my parents' place for Christmas years ago, and I'm just smelling a strong fire.
Your parents' house, Colin?
I'm start smelling it. It's Christmas Day, and I'm looking around like, what the hell is going on? Open the front door to smell the smell of fire gets stronger. Whoa. I look across the street, and there's the full house is ablaze.
Oh my goodness. Was
not their house, across the street, and it's just way more smoke than you imagine. And you
Yeah.
approach the thing, and you're just in a state of shock. You're just standing there, and of course the fire department arrives quickly, but they can't. They can pour water. They can't.
They can just try to control it.
When it's going.
Yeah.
When it's going.
Oof.
And it is a shocking experience. But the smell is so strong in the proximity.
Wow.
But tell you what, man, this is incredible footage. Thank you for whoever sent it in. You obviously hope that everybody got out. I assume that
Absolutely.
everybody got out.